Hi there, it's Kristin from Whiskey Tango Farms, where we create videos to help guide you on your path to self-sufficiency through Coturnix quail, rabbits, and gardening. Today we're going to introduce all of our rabbits to you so you can kind of meet them, see what they look like, and they each kind of have their own story. So first up here we have Henry. This is a little buck. He is a mini Rex. The color is broken blue. We got him because the kids could not resist and they have been wanting to show rabbits, and we felt that the size of the mini Rex was appropriate for them. And once I felt their fur, I'm like, we need these. So this is Henry. He was born in May, so he's not quite ready to breed yet, but hopefully soon. Next up we have Bella. This is our mini Rex broken blue doe. So of course after we got a buck, we knew we had to get a doe so we can breed them since it takes two to tango. So this is Bella. Alright, next we have up Aurora Borealis. We usually just call her Aurora because that's much easier to say. She is our silver Fox Doe. We got her from Tiffany at Tealstone Homestead. We actually drove all the way to Indiana from Wisconsin to get her and her partner, which I'll show you here in just a little bit. We completely fell in love with the silver fox breed after watching Tiffany's videos. They're super sweet, their fur is absolutely stunning, and they are meat rabbits, so they're dual purpose. So cover her ears. If they don't make the cut for the breeding program, we can always eat them. But she will probably go to show. And we plan on hopefully breeding them in December around Christmas time, so she can be a mama. Next we have up Aurora Borealis's partner. So this is Galaxy. He is the buck that we plan on breeding with Aurora around Christmas time. He is also from Tiffany at Tealstone Homestead. You'll have to forgive him, he's a little bit sunburnt. So his coloring is a little bit off. He's got some rusty colored spots. We didn't realize that we had to keep them out of the sun, but he is still extremely handsome, and we plan on breeding him to Aurora Borealis around the first of the year or Christmas time. We really wanted to get a Crème De argent. They are also featured on Tiffany's channel at Tealstone Homestead, but we also found out from her that they are an at-risk breed, so there are not a lot of them out there. Some of them that are out there are mixed. They need a lot of development yet, and we want to help make them better, stronger, and get their name out there and hopefully share them with more people so that they can become popular again, because I really think that they deserve it. I think they're super underrated, and I hope that we can share this breed with you guys. We have Kristin. She is a Crème De argent doe. She too is from Tiffany at Tealstone Homestead. We actually stopped in Indiana to meet Tiffany to get Kristin after QuailCon. So she's relatively new to us, but she is already warming up to us. We love her. Her coloring, she's absolutely gorgeous. But we will have to find her a boyfriend, and he will also have some type of French food name to be determined. But she is super sweet. We love her. We hope you enjoyed meeting all of our rabbits. We'll keep you updated as we add to the homestead, because we plan on continuing to breed them and reproduce them, show them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.